I can press Command T, if necessary, to rotate that a little bit into place. Now, let's switch this to none temporarily. This is just so we can see the mask a little bit better. Now, choose the tracker from the window menu. If the mask is selected, you'll see the ability to choose to track. I'm going to track position, scale, and rotation. So I can click the forward button and it will analyze. It's going to attempt to keep that object inside the box and use the same general approach as the laptop moves. So even though the laptop is on an unstable surface as the woman adjusts and shifts, and the camera itself is moving a little bit, you're going to notice that that tracking works really well. Now, it got a little close there, but we should still be okay. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be generally accurate. With the mask here, we'll set this to subtract. And I can use the expansion to move that out just a little bit. Let's watch that through. What I'm making sure of is that the tape or the logo doesn't pop out on any side. So far, so good. All right, we're now ready to fill that in.